Hi guys, in this video we are going to see Java iteration statements. So Java provides few iteration statements like while loop, for loop, while do while. Okay. So in this video we will see how the while loop works. Okay. So while actually works this way. While check the condition, evaluate the condition. Okay, as long as the condition is true, the set of statements repeatedly executed. Once the condition is false, the statement immediately after that loop will get executed. Okay, let us see one example for this. So let us declare a variable int age equal to 14. Okay, so I am going to use a while loop in this case. So while the condition is I am checking age is less than 18. If the age is less than 18, then I wish to print some statements like system dot out dot println, and I write you your age is okay, your age is plus age plus you are not eligible to vote. That means if the age is if the candidate age is less than 18, then he or she is not eligible to vote. Okay, so what we do in the next line, we increment the age. Okay. So in this case, what will happen is the condition age is checked, verified. Age is checked against the age number 18. If it is less than 18, that means it is the evaluation is true. The condition is true. So the statement inside the while loop will be executed. So your age is you are not eligible to vote. Then age will be incremented. So again the condition is evaluated. So as long as the condition is true, that is the age is less than 18, we will print you are not eligible to vote, because people who have 18 years, right, they are eligible for voting. So once the condition is false, the while loop stopped, iteration stopped, the statement immediately after the while loop will get executed. So let us have the statement, right? In this case, the statement your age is age, you are now you are eligible to vote. That's it. Okay. So this is the while loop. So while loop works this way. The condition is evaluated, and if, as long as the condition is true, the set of statements inside the while loop repeatedly executed, iteratively executed. Every time the condition is evaluated, and if it is false, if it is true, then statements are executed. When the condition becomes false, the loop stopped, then the statement immediately after the loop will be executed. Okay, so let us run this code. Let us run this code now. See the output. See the output now. Your age is 14, you are not eligible to vote. Your age is 15, you are not eligible to vote. Again, your age is 16, you are not eligible to vote. Then 17. Your age is 18, you are eligible to vote now. Okay, so this is how it works. Here, suppose in the first time itself, the condition may becomes false. Then in that case, the statement inside while loop never executed. For example, like enter value, assign 18 to age. Okay. So in this case, the condition even at the first time itself becomes false. So the statements inside while loop will not be executed. Okay. So let us run this code and see the output now. See the output now.